We'll guide you through how to understand Claude Bessy. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to a reliable search engine like Google. Type in Claude Bessy to start gathering information. You'll find a variety of resources including articles, videos, and interviews. It's important to focus on credible sources such as academic articles, books, or documentaries. You can also look for interviews with Claude Bessy herself or with those who worked closely with her to get first-hand insights. As you read through the materials, pay attention to her contributions to the dance world and her philosophy on dance education. Understanding her influence on ballet and the arts community will be crucial. Next, head over to video platforms like YouTube. Search for documentaries or performances that feature Claude Bessy. Watching her in action or hearing her speak will give you a deeper understanding of her style and approach. If available, check out any online courses or lectures about her work. These can provide structured insights and expert analysis, helping you grasp concepts you might miss otherwise. Another great tip is to join forums or online communities dedicated to ballet or dance history. Engaging in discussions with enthusiasts and experts can give you more context and answer any lingering questions you might have. Finally, if you're interested in experiencing her influence firsthand, see if there are any dance schools or workshops that continue her teaching methods. Participating in such activities can offer a practical understanding of her techniques and philosophies. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.